Welcome to Rockland Pros, your accounting consulting firm. My name is Brian Campbell, and I'm a managing partner of the firm. In light of the impact of so many businesses, we created a short video to share our insights on payroll tax strategies for 2020 amidst COVID-19. We've prepared an outline of the areas that will be discussed in this video. We're going to go through each of these topics at a very high level. This video was not designed to be a tutorial, nor did we intend for it to be a how-to guide. Rather, the objective was to provide our clients and prospective clients with an overview of our payroll tax services and insights on how COVID-19 may impact your payroll tax reporting in 2020. These areas are compliance requirements. What are they? Payroll tax services. What does the Rockland Pros process look like? COVID-19 relief programs. What programs are you participating in? Reasonable compensation. This is the key to a strategic plan. How do we get there? Next steps. What are the prerequisites and where do we go from here? Contact information about Rockland Pros. For those who may not be familiar with Rockland Pros, who are we and how do you get in touch with us? Compliance requirements. Consistent with the 7 habits of highly effective people, we want to begin with the end in mind. So what are the compliance requirements? Every word on this page was taken from the IRS website, and we've included a link directly to the source of this information. Here are the key takeaway points. S corporations must pay reasonable compensation to shareholder employee. Translation: if you're an owner of a business who files as an S corporation, you must put yourself on payroll as an employee and issue yourself a W-2 form at the end of the year. Distributions and other payments by an S corporation to a corporate officer must be treated as wages to the extent that the amounts are reasonable compensation for services rendered to the corporation. Translation: you may not take money out of your business, categorize it as a distribution, or what many of you like to call a draw, to avoid claiming a salary and avoid paying payroll tax. The IRS has the authority to reclassify payments made to shareholders from non-wage distributions, which are not subject to employment taxes, to wages, which are subject to employment taxes. Translation: if you do not report a salary or underreport your salary, the IRS has the authority to reclassify your net profit and impose payroll taxes at a rate of 15.3% on what they believe a reasonable compensation should have been. Payroll tax services. Rockland Pros provides payroll tax services. What does this process look like? Our process is a collaborative process with our clients. We cannot perform payroll tax services in a vacuum without you. We start with your profit and loss report, so be sure to update your books and records through the end of the quarter. For clients who subscribe to our bookkeeping services, we'll prepare a draft of the profit and loss report for you. We'll also need you to forecast revenue and expenses. We may be aware of the impacts to your business resulting from COVID-19, but we don't run the daily operations of your business. Therefore, only you have the details or data points that we need to take into consideration. Once you're ready, book a payroll tax meeting online by visiting our website at rocklandpros.com. During our meeting, we'll use our methodology to recommend a reasonable compensation. Upon agreement of your reasonable compensation, we'll begin the final step, reporting and payment. COVID-19 relief programs. What programs are you participating in? Currently, though subject to change at any time, there are several relief programs available. Not all of them will impact how we report your payroll taxes this year. So we need to know what programs you participated in, are participating in, or trying to participate in, and or will be participating in. Many of these programs have a direct relationship with your payroll taxes, and failure to report them properly could result in receiving a loan versus receiving forgiveness of a loan or a grant. Reasonable compensation. Again, this is the key to a strategic plan. So how do we get there? Rockland Pros has a methodology that includes several resources and tools. Some were acquired from tax authorities and industry experts. Others are proprietary to Rockland Pros, built in-house and continue to be refined by members of our team. Recognizing that each client is unique, our methodology enables us to provide recommendations that are custom tailored for each client. Next steps. What are the prerequisites and how do we get there from here? From the highest level, 1, prepare your profit and loss report. 2, forecast your revenue and expense. Then 3, book an appointment. The more information that we have available to us prior to our meeting, the more productive the meeting will be for everyone. For more information about Rockland Pros or to schedule a meeting with one of our professionals, visit our website at rocklandpros.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Thank you for viewing our video. We look forward to working with you.